Hey, middle school students, it's Mr. Storms. It is April 7th. It is our 17th day on the release from school due to the coronavirus. And I want to talk to you guys for a minute. Today is Spirit Week and it's Crazy Hair Day. And make no mistake, look at this mess on top of my head. It's definitely getting crazier by the day. Mine is. I need a good haircut, but this staying home thing is making me get wild hair. I want to talk to you guys all about the emergency classrooms in Google. So, as you know, this is the end of our marking period, and the emergency classrooms, A and B, you will not have to do things in them after the 9th. So what that means is, up until Thursday, including Thursday the 9th, you need to continue doing 2 activities in your A and 2 activities in your B classroom. I just wanted to let you know, Friday, take a break. Friday, take a break. We need a break. You guys have a break on Friday, so you don't have to do anything in your Google Classrooms, but I do ask that everybody checks their email. Middle school students, I need you to check your email 3 times a day. So you pick the times, but you need to check them 3 times a day. If you have a cool phone, even cooler than my phone, you need to set your alarm and let it remind you to check your email, your Google email. But that's all you have to do on the 10th. Now I just want to let everybody know there's some confusion out there, because next week was supposed to be our spring break. It is not our spring break. We do not have spring break this year just due to this virus that's out there. So between the 13th and the 17th, we're going to be doing what I'm calling spring bridge activities. And I'll be giving you more information about that tomorrow and Thursday. So stay tuned for that. Those will be in a specific location, which I'll explain to you about that as well. But again, you're all working in your Google Classroom. Today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, and on Thursday, you're still in your A and B classroom. Then we're closing them down, and we're going to do something different the week of the 13th through the 17th. Middle school students, I need you to hear me. We also have another problem I need to talk to you guys about. Computer screens. Now that the computers are home with you, our Chromebooks are home with you, we're getting more and more reports. Yikes, we had 10 reports of computer screen cracks. My dad sat on my computer. I put a pencil in my computer and shut the screen. I need every middle school student to be really cautious about where you're putting your computer, making sure you're taking care of it, because if your computer screen needs to get fixed, it can take up to 2 weeks for us to get it completely fixed and get it back to you. We try to do it quicker, but it could take that long. So middle school students, please be very cautious about where you're placing that computer. Make sure it's not on the couch, it's not in your bed, it's maybe left on a table. Keep it charged. And don't forget to check your email. Everybody have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow, and I'm going to give you a little bit more information about our spring bridge activities that are going to be happening next week. Have a good night. Check your email.